Hi, today I'm going to continue my series called One Day, One Picture, as always. Don't ask why I'm wearing a Christmas jumper because, well, Christmas has passed, but we keep the spirit up. Yeah, we need for, like, a long time. How many years? Well, we need the Christmas spirit, so here's me in a Christmas jumper on the 12th of January. Okay, so let's get going. Anyway, which one am I doing? Okay, today we are going to do a koala. So, yeah. I'll start with the head. So, 1 ear, 2 ear, 3 ear, 4 ear. Yay! Now we need to make eyes and nose. Oh, and I forgot to do the 12. Oh, silly me. Like this. Oh, and cheeks. Here. So, 1 hand, 2 hand. And the koalas apparently don't have hands, but I don't care. So I want it like here to be with 2. Okay, if you understand, you understand. Oh, anyway, and I want to just add a leaf here. Boink. Okay. And the bottom feet like this. It looks very strange, but okay. So now time for sparkles. Sparkles. Okay, yeah. Sparkles. I want some interesting sparkles. Like, there'll be some, like, kind of crosses. So look like this, like this, like this. And the sparkle is done. Like this. It looks awful, so yeah. I'm back to the normal way. But we'll go for a club. How do I say it? Clovid. That sounds just horrible. No, horrible can't describe it. Awful. That sounds awful. So now for the dirty dots. Okay, one, boink. Oh, and the line, as always, I forget stuff. Here. Yay! Done. So, okay, I'll close pen. And thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And don't forget the likes and the comments. And subscribe. Bye!